Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going makeup free today, no brows, no nothing today. I just haven't really been in the mood to like put on makeup. Well, I have, but I just didn't really feel like, I don't know, you guys, like I love makeup and I love doing my makeup, but it's like at the end of the day I just hate doing like all this stuff to like removing my makeup, because with me I do a very in-depth like regimen to remove my makeup and my skincare, and it just takes so much time. And it's like now I'm at the point where I just wear like makeup like for special occasions, or if I want to look slayed for a day or so. But yeah, so we're going makeup free today. My mom and Pharaoh and I, we're gonna go to a few stores again today. We went to a few stores, as you guys saw in the previous vlog, to shop for some things for Pharaoh's first birthday coming up in his party. So we're gonna go back to the store again and pick up some more items that we haven't really forgot to get yet on the previous vlog. So it was yesterday, but I uploaded that vlog earlier today. So by the time you see this vlog, it'll be like a few days from now, probably Thursday. But yeah, so that's why I keep on saying the previous vlog. So yeah, so yeah, we're about to go ahead and get ready to go, and then we're gonna go visit my nanny and my cousins and my sister today. And then if we have time, I might want to just check out Sephora for like a few like skincare products, and then if not, I'll probably just order from the Sephora app. But yeah, so we want you guys to make sure that you guys are subscribed to our channel. So make sure you guys click on that subscribe button, make sure your bell notifications are on, so that way you guys receive notifications from us. And thank you to all of my supporters and new subscribers and everything like that to Pharaoh's and I channel. And let's go ahead and get ready for this vlog, you guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are about to head out to Pharaoh's doctor appointment. Pharaoh has an appointment with the allergist today at the Children's Hospital to do some allergy testing. You guys don't know, but I am personally allergic to peanuts, and my allergy is very severe and it's fatal. So the whole purpose of today's appointment is to do some testing for Pharaoh, to see if it might be hereditary, also discover some other allergens he may potentially be allergic to. So we're on our way down to the appointment now, and that is what is going to be happening today in today's vlog. Thank you to everyone subscribed to our channel and showing Pharaoh and I so much love and support here on our channel. If you have not yet already and you're new to our channel, hello, I'm Paris, and Pharaoh's in the back. He's having some of his lunch, and then we're about to go ahead and head out. But I don't even know why I even said that again. Well, I'll introduce you to my new subscribers. But again, hello, welcome to our channel. And thank you so much for showing us your support. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so we're about to go ahead and head on down to this appointment, you guys.
Sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back.
So my mom and my nanny is with Pharaoh during his allergy appointment, while I have to go to a meeting really quick. And yeah, so hopefully his allergy appointment goes very fine and smoothly. And yeah, so I'm a bit anxious, you guys. So Pharaoh is with my mom and my nanny for his appointment. I have a meeting in a few minutes, so after my meeting we're gonna come back and everything like that. So currently Pharaoh is 22, almost 22 pounds. And yeah, so for his allergy appointment, but I am not ready for this appointment. I am like anxious and everything like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head on down to my appointment, and I'll chat with you guys later. Hey guys, so Pharaoh's allergy appointment went very well. My meeting had lasted longer than what I was expecting for it to be. I just made some matcha green tea. But yeah, I'm waiting for my mom and Pharaoh to come. They'll be in here like in a few minutes or whatever. But Pharaoh's appointment went very, very well. My mom has sent me a picture of the back of his body where they did markings and everything like that. So he doesn't have any allergies, so I'm happy to know that. But yeah, so my mom said the appointment didn't really last that long. She was like 30 minutes, they were done and over with. So yeah, so but on the paperwork it was like 3 to 4 hours. So I had all his stuff packed up, like bottles and food, for like at least 2 hours. So I guess that's the mommy in me, like wanting to be prepared for you never know. And yeah, so, and yes, I still have Pharaoh's Christmas crafts still hanging up, but we are going to make some Valentine's Day crafts this weekend. So yeah, so I'm gonna check to see if they made it here yet in the driveway, and we'll see you guys.
Pharaoh, can you say hi? Say hello.
Alright guys, so I am currently relaxing right now with Pharaoh. Say hi. So I have my skincare regimen on my face here, as you guys can kind of see. Let me turn on some brighter lighting for you guys so you guys can actually see. Alright guys, so I am here chilling, relaxing with my man. Can you say hi? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Hello, baby. So yeah, so we are relaxing. I currently have my skincare products on my face. I am going to do like an in-depth skincare regimen and, you know, tips and everything like that for you guys, because I've been asked about my skin and how glowing and healthy it is. So thank you guys so much for complimenting me on my skin. But anyway, yeah, Pharaoh had his allergy appointment yesterday, so we're doing fine. I'm glad that he was able to, you know, do really well during his appointment and everything like that. So as for updates, he does not have any allergies. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, because my allergy is very severe. So like it's fatal. I can't smell, I can't eat, I can't breathe, I can't touch any peanuts or peanut butter at all. So that was like, you know, my main worry with him, is maybe seeing if it was hereditary. But you're all good, little one. You're all good. So yeah, so his bag just has like permanent marker and then a few like little red spots from where they apply like the various allergens on his bags, but it's gonna heal throughout the, you know, next few days. So I'm glad about that. But yeah, I'm so glad that he's happy and back to his like happy, normal, little chilled self. Right, bye-bye. All right, baby. Are you ready for bedtime? Ooh, we gonna have to read our story time. Our story? You wanna read our story? He's like looking into the TV. He's just watching TV, guys. He's like, we're interested in. Oh, okay. So you want to talk to mommy now? You want to read a book now? So every night before our bedtime, we have story time. So I will read Pharaoh his book, and of course like breastfeed him and rock him to sleep, and then I'll read my book, and then we'll go ahead and have bedtime and everything like that. So I was asked to show a baby nursery library, because you guys know that I love reading. I love reading, especially for Pharaoh as well. And reading is a very prominent activity that I like to do and will like for Pharaoh to do when he get older and everything like that, because reading is very necessary in education. So yeah, Pharaoh has a very detailed baby nursery. So yeah, you love your books. I'm in the process of actually like redecorating his you know, nursery library, everything like that. So I have some really cute ideas to share and show you guys very soon. So I know I have in my description box like my up and coming videos. So one of the videos is like a closet decoration, not decoration, a closet like update and everything like that after like redecorating it and everything like that for you guys. So yeah, I think you guys saw in the earlier clip of me actually like getting things clean and organized in the closet. Not saying that it was ever messy or disorganized, but you know, just updating it with, you know, some new things in the closet. And yeah, so I'm gonna start rambling. We're gonna go ahead and do our story time and get ready for bedtime. And you wanna say bye, baby? Can you say night night? Can you say night night? He's like, no, Mom, like, leave me alone. Can you say night night? Uh-oh.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You